Hello, my dear students. Once again, I warm welcome into this wonderful session. As you know, myself Nityanand Mishra. In this video session, we are going to discuss about the physics of class 12th of CBSE board. In the first chapter, we have been discussed about the electric charge, Coulomb's law, electric dipole moment, and electric dipole moment due to dielectric dipole at its axial position, at its equatorial position, and at a channel point. So the link of the previous videos are given in the description box. By that way you can see easily. So in this video session we start with the topic: an electric dipole is placed in a uniform electric field. Let us consider that this is a uniform electric field. The parallel and equidistant lines shows the uniform electric field, and this is the direction of electric field. When you place electric dipole in it, like this, let this is a dipole placed in a electric field with the direction of electric field makes theta. यहाँ पर हम क्या करते हैं, देखते हैं कि this is a dipole makes the theta angle with the electric field lines, and you know that the left side charge is always negative and the right side charge is always positive. In this electric field, the charge Q feels the force QE, and the direction of force is towards this side due to the electric field. Electric field is directed towards this side. That means when a single positive charge is placed in this field, the direction of charge is like this. So the force experienced on Q is in this direction. This is F1 and this is F2. The value of F1 and F2 are same in this case, but the direction is opposite. This angle is theta. Let us consider that this is a A and this is a B and this is a O. This is A, B and O. And you know this angle is 90 degree. So we start writing theory. Consider an electric dipole. हम कंसीडर करते हैं कि एक इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल is placed in electric field E. So force experienced on a charge, force experienced on a charge Q is प्लस Q और माइनस Q दोनों चार्जेस पर सेम फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस होगा, और इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी? इसकी वैल्यू F इज इक्वल टू F1 इज इक्वल टू F2 इज इक्वल टू QE. ठीक है, देन we start to elaborate the momentum which is produced by the electric dipole. यहां पे हम राइट करेंगे कि टॉर्क और फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस torque or moment of force is equal to force into perpendicular distance between the charges. So we find the distance perpendicular distance between the charges is, let us consider that the length of electric dipole is 2a. So the perpendicular distance is OB, and OB upon OB upon AB is equal to sin theta. So OB is equal to AB sin theta, and the value of AB is 2a sin theta. OB is the perpendicular distance between the charges. OB is perpendicular distance between the charges. So the value of F is QE, and the perpendicular distance 2a sin theta. When you put this value Q into 2a in one bracket, E sin theta. This moment of force or torque is denoted by tau, and tau is equal to P. You know that electric dipole moment is equal to the P is equal to the Q into 2a. When you put this value, this is P and this is E. This is P and this is E sin theta. This is the term of torque on a dipole in a uniform magnetic field. When you write this value in vector form, then tau is equal to P cross E. Tau is equal to P cross E. Here tau is also vector quantity, and P and E both are the vector quantities. So one important conclusion comes out here. When a dipole is placed in an electric field, then the total charge on the dipole is zero. Total charge on the dipole is zero because this is negative charge and this is positive charge. So the value of total charge is 0, and the total force on the dipole is also 0 because the force acting on this is minus QE and the force acting on this is plus QE. So the net force total, not saying that net force on a dipole is 0, but when an dipole is placed in an electric field, uniform electric field, it experiences no net force. इसके ऊपर कोई नेट फोर्स अप्लाई नहीं होता है, बट इट एक्सपीरियंस अ टॉर्क, and the value of torque tau is equal to P cross E, and the value of tau is equal to P cross E. This is a small video session related to this topic, and I hope all of you understand this topic is very clearly. So please like this video, share this video to all your groups, to all your classmates, and subscribe my YouTube channel Laksh Tutorials. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Laksh Tutorials. Thanks.